All right, boys, I'm gonna take you through my nighttime routine. This is the routine that I believe every dude should be doing to look better. See, I believe your day doesn't start that morning, it starts the night before. You do everything right, you're gonna crush it the next day. So let me show you what I'm doing. Let's hop into this. Number one, I use blue light blockers as I work. See, usually I wrap up at my office around 5:30, I go home, I spend some time with the family, but then I'll open up the laptop and I'll get to work again, usually from 7:30 or 8, all the way till 10:30. Well, during that time, I need to use blue light blockers. See, what happens is that the screen that your computer, your cell phone, and your tablet emit, that light, that blue light, it confuses your head, messes up your melatonin levels, and if you were to try to go to sleep, you won't because you're just still wired on. Your brain still thinks it's daylight out there, and you're gonna have horrible sleep. Well, I usually throw on my prisms from Jade Black, which have that blue light blocking technology. This removes the blue light from all of my digital devices. I'm able to work right up until I'm about to go to sleep. I take those glasses off, and that way my internal body clock is still set. As soon as I lay in bed, I go to sleep. This is why I love blue light blocking glasses. On top of it makes you look good, it makes you look. On top of all of that, I love their functional benefit. This is why, as a dude, if you do not have blue light blockers, guys, you're missing out. Check out our brand Jade Black. We designed our Prism collection with this blue light blocking technology. We also include that handmade Italian acetate. We have stainless steel construction. Like our frames, you throw them on, they feel like $300, $400, $500 frames, but yeah, ours are only 49 bucks. Ours are a steal. If you want a pair for yourself, click that link down below, check a pair out. I'm telling you, it's gonna change your nighttime game. Number two, you gotta wash the face. This is my next step right before going to bed. This is important. Usually at the end of the day, I feel like my face is heavy, and it's usually from all the gunk, the dirt, the oil, all of that bad stuff. It's piled on your face. You do not wanna take that into bed and sleep with that with 10 hours because you're gonna wake up with horrible skin, especially if you do that consistently. So washing your face, this is an important step you can never skip. Number three, my next step is applying a serum. See, a serum is a little bit different than a moisturizer. It's thicker. So usually when you apply it, it's gonna apply thick, it's gonna feel heavy, and it's gonna look greasy and oily, but that's fine. This is why I like using it at night because, nobody's looking. You're not gonna be walking around looking all oily. And this is a good thing because the point of a serum is for that deep hydration. You want it to really penetrate. So you apply the serum, you sleep with it for 8 hours. The next morning when you wake up, I'm telling you, your skin's gonna look flawless. I promise you, add a serum to your nighttime routine. Do this for about a week and you come back to this video a week later. Tell me if I lied. Number four, I apply a fragrance. I know what you're thinking. For what, Jose? You're about to go to sleep. Well, it's not only for my girl, it's for myself. See, I actually genuinely enjoy fragrances. Like, I've told you this before. The fragrance is not only to get compliments from other people. When I apply a fragrance in the morning, like I legit feel confident. Like I feel good because it is a pleasant scent that I enjoy. So yes, boys, I actually do get a euphoria from smelling good. I'll grab my favorite fragrance, I'll apply it, I'll go to bed. Again, my girl likes it and well, I like it too. And finally, number five, this was important, plan the next day. A simple to-do list, doesn't have to be crazy. This is gonna mentally prepare me to only focus my energy on what I know is gonna propel me forward. And for you, this could be anything. So I'll put all my work tasks, all my personal tasks, all my family tasks, everything that I have to do so I know tomorrow, I gotta get this done, and it keeps me focused on just those singular things. For you, it could be maybe you gotta get work done at school. Maybe you got to go out and talk to girls to gain experience. So you wanna make that a task. Maybe you gotta go to the gym. Maybe you gotta cook your meals. Whatever your tasks are, whatever you wish to get done, make it into a task list and make it your mission the next day. You're gonna go to sleep, but the next day, you're gonna complete that task. And at the end of the night, when you have everything checked off, the euphoria you're gonna feel, that accomplishment feeling and the proudness you're gonna feel, and not only that, the change that this is gonna bring to your life if you do this consistently, you're gonna be able to get more done than just wasting your days away. Most of the time, most of you are just letting your day slip by, and by the end of the day, you've done nothing. Doing this little trick, this one simple change every single night will change your life. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, if you guys want to check out those Prism glasses from Jade Black, they're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.